If you want to monitor your DVR remotely from your cell phone, I have the solution for you. So keep watching. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Claudemir Martins. In this video, I will talk about an application for a cell phone so you can monitor your DVR remotely, okay? But before you continue, just hit the link below, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up and leave your comments. Don't forget that, all right? Let's go here to my computer. I can show you a diagram and explain something first. So here I have a diagram that represents my office here in this side. Then I have the internet, and then the other side of internet I have another area here with an office, this OptiView office. They have their DAWA based DVR with some cameras, and then there is an IP for this DVR. There is a port, user, and password. Okay, this is an online DVR. You can connect online to the DVR for demo purposes. It's not mine. I don't work for these guys, okay? I just found them on internet. They have a demo there, so I got the information, IP, port, username, and password to connect to this DVR, okay? So back here to the diagram. Here I have my laptop. I just wanna make sure first that I can connect to this DVR remotely from my laptop. I already did this in another video. You can look for the video here in the channel. Already connect to this office remotely, all right? So I'm pretty sure that works from my computer. Then I can use an application. Here my cell phone is a free one. You can download the app and then you can connect directly also to the DVR, right? So here I already have the port, the IP, and everything else. I just will connect here in this application, okay? So let's go to my cell phone here. You can take a look at this application. Here in the Play Store, you can download it. It's the May, okay? You just look for May. Here I already have installed, so just click here. And the first thing I'm gonna do is hit this plus sign to add a camera, okay? So I just hit here. There is nothing on my list, so I need to go here to this plus sign, and here I need to type the IP that I have, 50.79.86.90, right? The port will be 37777, user, guest, and password also guest. It's a 8-channel DVR. I hit OK. Here I have the DVR and the channels. Let me connect to the first camera. And here we go. Pretty fast, right? Let me see another channel here. Channel number 2. Playing. Okay, it's live. Channel number 3. The guys have some advertisement there. Channel 4. And here we go. Okay. It's pretty easy to use this application, pretty fast to configure. You have some advertisement here on the top. If you don't want to see it, you need to pay for the other version. This is free version, comes with advertisement. Okay, that's okay. And here you can select the channels. You can like play and stop. You can take pictures, record something on your cell phone, just not in the DVR, also in the cell phone. You can record where you've seen here. And also you can do the configuration that we already did, right? Let's come back to the channel 1, and here we go, okay? So it's pretty basic, pretty easy to do that. You don't have to pay for the software if you don't want to. It's a free version, right? There's the paid version also if you don't want to see the advertisement. And something else, just to make sure you understood this, let's come back here to the diagram. So in the diagram, we have a router here in their office, and in this router there's already a configuration for remote access, okay? The DVR has some configuration, and also in the router has some configuration for remote access. You can't just come with the cell phone and application and connect to this remote office if you don't have the configuration ready here, okay? So if you don't know how to do the configuration for remote access to configure your router or your DVR, you can go to my blog. There you can find the Ultimate Guide Volume 2, okay, the version 2. There you have everything you need to know for configuration of your router and your DVR for remote access. So you can do that, the configuration, then you can use the cell phone to remotely connect your DVR, okay? So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up and leave your comments, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.